Hey guys, what's going on? My name is FMD and I'm a UX designer in Toronto. Today is an exciting video because this is the first time where I want to work with you guys. And by that, I mean, I will select one of you guys and you need to be a UX designer. You cannot be a client. Take your project, could be an app, could be a web page, anything. And I'm going to select one page. And by that, I mean, let's just say you have an e-commerce site. You have a product listing page, you have a product detail page, you got a contact us page, about us page, home page, and so on and so forth. I'm going to select one page that you really want me to provide my skill sets. For example, let's just say I pick the home page and it's the homepage desktop. I will apply my skill sets. Now, I'm not saying that my design will be better than yours. Let's just take our UX ego out of the door and work on this together. I haven't done anything like this before, so please go easy on me. And the reason why I want to do this is because I've been doing UX design for a very long time, and by for a very long time, I mean more than 10 years. In the past 10 years, I've been lucky to work with amazing brands such as BMW Canada, Mucho Burrito, Kia Motors, Mini, RedTag.ca, Sears Travel, and even upcoming brands such as my startup website, Zoom.com. So this time I want to kind of switch things up. I want to give you my experience. I know I've showed you a couple of my work that I've done in my computer, but this time I want to take one of your work. Yeah, so I hope you guys can send me your work, and for more information, it's in the description below. So please go easy on me, guys. And I'm super excited and nervous at the same time, to be honest, to take on this project. So if this is something you're into, please click like, or if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, click on the bell icon, and then like my video. Yeah, I guess that's all I gotta say. So I hope this turns out to be great and we can work together, and in the future we can build a better relationships together. So let's make it happen. Peace out.